Yeah! What's going on, everyone? We are back at Crooked Island, the same place we did our second video where we caught the stingray. It's the biggest one I've ever caught. And son caught the bonnethead shark. It's a very beautiful place. Looks like it's pretty clear water for it even have rained overcast. So we got our flounder rig, we got a popping cork, and we have a surf rod that we're gonna do. We'll catch y'all out there. We've made it to our spot, and I'm taking my little mallet and I'm hammering down my homemade rod holders. I saw a few fish jumping, so we decided to stop right here. I don't know what we got. Did he come off? Oh, he's still on there. Let's see what we got on the cut bait. He ain't very big, whatever he is. We got us a hardhead. All right, we got something. Oh, he's fighting pretty good. Oh, he's running down beach. Come on. Going down beach with you, buddy. Oh! 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 Yeah! We got a massive speckled sea trout. Look at that! Look at that! Let's get him on up on the beach. Oh man! Ow! Calm down, buddy. "27 inches. He's going home for lunch." Let's get my fish pliers on him. Try and get this hook out. Woo, he was barely hooked too. I think I got a shark. I think I got a shark. He's running down beach, just like the last one. I think I saw, he's a spinning shark. I think I saw him jump out of the water a time or two. Come on. He's close. Come on, buddy. Yep. Got us a shark. I can't tell what kind if you don't quit moving. Wear yourself out. We got a lot of fight in them. Ooh, watch my feet. It's an Atlantic sharp tooth shark. Woo! Nom, 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 nom. Beautiful creature. Now let's try to get this hook out. Come on, buddy. Here he goes. All right, so far we've caught the 27-inch speckled sea trout, a little hardhead catfish, and a Atlantic sharp tooth shark. Can't really keep those. If it was a black tip, we may have tried it. But 3 species down. This has turned out to be a really good day, but we're not done. I didn't even know I had a fish until he started head shaking. Whew. Another catfish. That is fish number 4 today. We got another bite. I think it's another shark. He's slapping the top of the water like a shark. You are no match for my Walmart pole. Whew. All right, guys. Another Atlantic sharp tooth shark. Beautiful creature. Come on, come on, come on. There you go, buddy. Other way. Woo. Other way, shark. Bye. I hope you find your dad. Alright, everyone. The big trout's ready to be filleted. We're going to turn him into tacos. I just washed him out. I'm actually hoping he ain't got no worms. So far, so good. All right. I'm just gonna come straight down. Cut them like that. All right, after the guy's long filleted, just toss them in my garbage right there. Alright, while the grease is heating up and my fish is right there, we're going to make something to put on the tacos. This is just diced 3 pepper, some diced tomatoes, and some onions. Mix it up. add some Italian dressing on it. Alright, so all that's in this flour is salt, pepper, and paprika. I actually don't have any garlic powder, but we do have some lemon juice. We're going to deep fry some of this. Shake it up. Literally, it's just milk to get rid of the fishy taste. It didn't really have a lot of bloodline, but we don't want a lot of coating on it this time. Bring that up. Bring it in there. Put a piece in there. And just in the oil it goes. It'll float when it's done. Alright, while the rest of that fish is in there cooking, we're going to take a bite of the taco. That's really good. That's really good. Trout's a beautiful meat. It's flaky. It's probably one of the better tacos I've ever had, especially for it being my first fish taco. But as always, we had a lot of fun. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and turn on that notification bell. We'll catch y'all next time.